Morning all. I thought I'd do an update as to where I've got up to with this curved roof on the root store. I've not done an update for a week, 10 days or something like that, because it's just been a bit monotonous, but I've just about got to the end of the last of the curved arched roof. So I don't know if you can see there, I've got to move the former to its last place hard up against the wall, but yesterday I meant to film this but I didn't because it was on and off rain all day. I fitted the lintel above the doorway, which was quite nice. Did that with the digger, much the same as the worktops, so that's why I wasn't too precious about filming it, but it was just on and off rain all day, so by the time I set the camera up and started filming it rained, so I just got it done. And that is the roof finish. I've got to profile the front, probably do that tomorrow. Backfill, well, a small matter. I say backfilling, piling the soil. It's probably 5 tons of soil needs to go there just to bury it, and then it's done. So a few more days work yet, but we're getting somewhere close, which is amazing. Next time I get Rob the spark up, I'll get him to put the. I might wire the light in there myself, but I need to get him to bang it into the consumer unit in the big barn. But that's not something I'd do. But the light fitting side of it, I'm happy to do. So yeah, we're somewhere near. So I'll clean up the tools and clean everything up, and see you tomorrow for the next bit.